Yemo, iliyoto gwikere, ugose, ututarire, asichia bisi chito, ichuchira sinyumba. Ndizi TV, ubwansu, bwomogusi.
Monchumuligeria Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chiabono margoba inga kende na ndengo kwaligania semesa ya Amayia nyari kumanya gati yari yatogendete kwaligania ayunda chiko kumanya senchira yelibona ko sansamuranira ekero yaragirense yemo yabono margoba litukelidia Jumapili stariki 15 naibere omuchinyokane omwaka w'ekiri bubere na merongebere nebere na mange hagendete kolekana ayungo chukumanya asenchira yo bwengo litokubwateranere Sumunwa wimanyiriyo igakoro kwa Joshua Auta na nchireterane nkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha. Umuraiwe kiama gyaodia mrera morodinga ni gagendrete ni ganga yaye yoko buri abakenya kumubwatsi asobo chori obone buri bosio ni gochinga kiyo cha buri abakenya buna na chiko enekia amagendra ngo ikirani wara na nsemo yogo kinya uchumi litukuli goroka ukona koru sensemo ya kitale ni gate batebuna iganga yaye noko eniki kiromo Kenya nkunyarare go konyeka anene koligeria nsemo yobule mia soko yeli aligo lidio boyo koru shiringi chiri wisano ne ikachiri bubere nego chinga kiyo rairabete kagoteba buna ase serikali yaye na chikoene kiwali batai kwinyara nkonyora bale go konyeka anene asumurubirio obo konyora obo chenu ose obo wenia wekana gogense goetera babakea gati ya yandamange.
Title deeds iko na shida mpaka wa leo. Naibu sana miaka 58 tangu tupate huru mpaka sasa bado Wakenya wako na shida ya title deeds. Hiyo ni shida mambo ambayo tutakamilisha ndani ya miezi 6 tukishika tamu ya utawala. Sawa? Nyinyi mtaona tofauti kubwa. Yale tunataka kuleta hapa ni mapinduzi. Tunaelewana vizuri? The first 100 days of Baba's government. Mtaona tofauti kubwa zaidi. Ndio sababu nasema hii ni mapinduzi. Tunataka kuhakikisha kwamba Wakenya wote wanapata haki yao. Alafu wakulima tutawasaidia wakulima wetu kwa upande ya services ya tinga, kwa upande ya mbegu, kwa upande ya mbolea. Tunarudisha bei ya mbolea kutoka 6,000 ile ambayo ilikuwa mpaka 2,000 kwa gunia. Sawa? Na vile vile kwa upande ya soko vile vile tutasaidia wakulima wetu. Hiyo ni sawa. Kwa upande mwingine, kwa upande matibabu tunaleta Baba Care. Semeni Baba Care. Baba Care. Tutaboresha mahali ya matibabu katika taifa letu.
Na umunjiriria Jimmy Wanjigi oyubiko kuliye kiroki wense gocherase kiama gia safina ni gobona ganji wense muskuru Kenyatta wesoa na gotae soanania na mangana siasa na sobo chaudio bonene bole bosio kolengana na Wanjigi ni gate birubuna asobo chaudio bomure wense bwente kwebwatirania anene aso wesoanania no mabwa azimio la umoja ni gochinga ke Jimmy ate birubuna ereni gate gate bono ko bomure bwa bantu asabori anto kumubwatsi asobo chaudio bonene bole bosio.
Mimi ndio nilichukua nafasi ya Raila Amolo Odinga. In 2017 tulimuita the people's president. Akaenda Harambee House kusalimiana na wengine. Akawachia hiyo nafasi wazi. Mukiniona hapa, mimi ndio nasema mimi ndio rais wa wananchi direct.
Ndio.
Juzi muliona wazi agreement ya Azimio. Hiyo agreement ya Azimio party inaonyesha Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ndio mkubwa wa huo mlengo wa Azimio party. Rais Uhuru Kenyatta ambao kisheria, kikatiba lazima astaafu August 9th mwaka huu. Lakini inaonekana kama zile nchi za nje kama China Communist Party, hii ni mwenendo ya kurudisha Kenya iwe kama communist nation. Rais anajaribu kinyume cha sheria, kinyume cha katiba ya Kenya kuendelea kuwa rais akikaa nyuma, lakini inaonekana chama ndio itakuwa inatawala.
Na boigo hekera tigereta matukeme mona 13 bosyo bochorio bonne bogojo kolekano mutinyo gatano na gatato omwako yega bochiri bubere na meronge bere nebere kergo kyobra yebwense niyo kegendete ko musabarwaniri au oyobonga igo gwesokia goetera independent utabwatikia mago chikurigina kero kya sekeroge kyo nigamanye kantebuna Apostle Faith Wairimo oyote bere bunani gago chikurwandire kergo kyobra yebwense kurwa ase ekanisa ya Sons of God Church nigo chinga kechi ya boria Kenya banyara kumubwatsia azokorigie kero kyobora ibwensa sobo chorio bonene bole bosio na naboni gamentre gote babuna na chikoene kina bana bali chiskuru na university ngonyara bali chilon gose elb oye chikoba konya asenchera yokonyara kogendere na gose kogendereria asa masomabo nigo chinga kyecho Faith atebiruna eganga ya yabo igono go chikoligereria na kyakonyara gokinia uchumi gati ya yandamange.
We will continue to think about ways in which we can buffer our business people to ensure that our businesses do not close because of pandemics or because of harsh economic times. And thinking about our students in the university, we will work towards increasing the help loans that they receive to make sure that any Kenyan who qualifies to go to a Kenyan university does so. We will also create the 48th county where Kenyans in diaspora can vote not only for the presidents, but for members of parliament that represent the 48th county.
Na kurigereria boigo mangana lingete na siasa wikase county ya Mombasa umubunge ukisahuni hali mbogo ni gate biruna nero obwate ticket ya Wiper asokurwandana na kurigie kergo kyobo governor ase county yo ayani gago chama gayoyo kabiru mu governor we county ya Nairobi Mike Mbuvi Songo nero gote bani geri getibenne elikonyara kurwandre ticket ya Wiper asokuchikurwandre kergo kyobo governor ase county ya Mombasa wikirabono babera aboni go batara kerana kuigwana ningobwenta koigwe ticket ya Wiper so kuligie kerogo kyobo governor meye county ya Mombasa egantokero mubunge wa Kisauni kuna semo ya Kisauni hali mbogo araribena bunane robwate ticket yejo engano nabo ya rokana koleta liberera se county ya Mombasa.
Mimi nataka nichukue fursa hii kumshukuru party leader wetu Kalonzo Musyoka. Tulikuwa na yeye katika uwanja wa Bomas of Kenya. Na tulikuwa na hawa aspirants wote ambao nimeandamana nao siku ya leo. Na yeye mwenyewe akanikabidhi interim certificate mbele ya media zote, mbele ya wakazi wote. Tulikuwa pale na aspirants zaidi ya 700. Na yeye mwenyewe kwa mkono wake akanikabidhi ticket kama candidate wa Wiper katika gatuzi la Mombasa unopposed. Kwa hivyo hiyo position haijabadilika mpaka siku ya leo. Kuwa mimi ndo nilipatiwa interim certificate na tukiwa na huyo Songo katika Bomas of Kenya. Na kama kungekuwa na mpinzani au yeye angekuwa ni mpinzani wangu, nisingepatiwa interim certificate katika Bomas of Kenya. Haya tunayoyasikia tuyachukulie kama propaganda, kama rumors.
Ni gongo chinga kichubone kiama kia Wiper kurwase kaunti ya Mombasa geso kirina gukwanire ngane yu asino na babate birubuna waikiraboni gamuntu tayo irwe ticket ya Wiper aso guchikoligie kero kyo governor meye kaunti ya Mombasa korengana batendibe kiame kyo ni gobate birubuna igo bamaita bwatabarwanire babere oyomo no mubunge hali mbogo nabo igono yonde Mike Mbuvi Songo ige kiame kyo sabatendibe kiame kibate birubuna igo baligeti gotwara chinkwana gwetera chinchera isato eliba chiko ligereria ni ngobwenta ko ewa nando wenta ko irukia ebandera ya Wiper ase ekero kyobo governor meye county ya Mombasa ni goba mochiri omubunge hali mbogo asogote abuna na bwate ticket ya Wiper egento na babate birubuna onde tayo oirwe ticket yo kwikabono.
As Wiper party aspirants, we wish to state that we have confidence in our party leadership, which has very well laid down structures up to the ward levels and working county caucuses, with Mombasa caucus chaired by Sheikh Twa. There has been utterances out there disregarding our Mombasa leadership. As aspirants, we wish to confirm to the public that our Mombasa Wiper leadership represents and speaks for the party. They are the only ones mandated to give party positions at all times and not an aspirant. As we speak today, we are aware as aspirants that at the gubernatorial level we have 2 candidates for that position. And the party therein will give us direction on how the matter will be settled. And we have 3 ways of settling issues: consensus, or the ballot, or a survey system, which shows who is popular.
Kauli yetu ya Wiper ni ile ile. Msimamo wa Mombasa ndio msimamo ule ambao uko Nairobi. Msimamo wa Wiper ya Mombasa ndio msimamo wa Wiper ambao iko Nairobi. Msimamo wa chairman ambaye yuko Mombasa ndio msimamo wa party leader na chairman ambaye yuko Nairobi. Chama cha Wiper Mombasa, kama vile tunasema, tuna 2 candidate ama 2 aspirant upande wa ugavana, na still wao bado ni aspirant. Sonko ni aspirant, Mheshimiwa Limbogo ni aspirant, na hapa pia tuna ma-aspirant. So mtu akijitokeza akisema amepewa direct ticket kwa chama haswa kwa Mombasa, atakuwa anazungumza jambo la urongo, si ukweli.
Na go tigarase amangana alingete na siasa mubunge umakweni Dani Manzu ni gobona gani omulibu Azimio 1 Kenya komochora omuraiwe kiama kya Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka wechikobwatirana na Raila Amolo Odinga asobo choryo bonene bole bosyo kolengana na Manzu ni gate berubuna Kalonzo ni gawente ko mokonyo ya Raila gose running mate asobo choryo bogochokoleka no mutinyo gatano na gatatu ni gamentre kagote abuna onye Azimio 1 Kenya bali gochikomochora Kalonzo Musyoka ni kone kibuna na chikoba kani abantu kurwasegesa kukyabo kamba gotaka chikura asobo choryo bonene bole bosyo nigo chinga kiechi atebire buno okobwatana kwa Wiper na gosonsemo ya Azimio nkwa bwataniti abantu bonse anebi kiama kya Wiper egenta atebire buno kwikira boni bataragokera enchera Wiper ya soetensemo ya Azimio.
We were to register the chairman of the council, who is the president of the Republic of Kenya, the presidential candidate and the deputy presidential candidate at the same time. But unfortunately that has not happened, and when we have seen the gazettement which came out, again it was done without proper consultation while setting up the NEC. The people nominated from Wiper Party were done without consensus or consent or consultation of our party leader. And therefore, moving forward, in future, any serious decisions should at least be with consultations from the domicile party.
Na ababwatani kurwa sensemo ya Oma biase county yoba kwa kubuke kiama gyaudi emmo ni go ikiraboniga batarago kerenchero bocholi wimi bwa koletwa sensemeyo kolenga na borobuni go bateberwa nomination ya ODM igo ya koletwa senchere telingi ya maega yechinsemogete ananase ward ya West Game chi machine chigotumeka gokoli chikura cia rokantego kya na boigo chikanyorwa goikirana sensemeyo nigo chinga kichibabolirie kiama
Therefore, what we are requesting the party is not too much, just a repeat of elections in West Game Ward, so that we can have confidence that the winner has the majority support of the people and therefore the party. So we are looking forward to having the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga get all over 10,000, close to 11,000 votes from West Game Ward under his docket. We don't want our people to remain back at home. Therefore, we request the National Election Board to come out and do a repeat before 22nd of April 2022.
I, Charles Owiti Awino, incumbent of West Game Ward, in company of Honorable Clifford Rabongo, Michael Ogalo, Omondi Ayeko, and Fred Awiti, do hereby categorically state that the election that was done in West Game Ward was not fair and just. In fact, it was a sham, because in some of the polling stations, the kids were missing. The kids was not there throughout, and some of the polling stations, the kids went off throughout. So what was done was not commensurate to what the expectation of the members.
Munchu muligiriria nyoronsi ni organizo ya nyora huetera Ndizi TV bwansu bomugusi tubwati huetera nsemo ya mtandao nsemo ya Facebook na bogo tunyarabuna Ndizi TV News na bogo nsemo ya YouTube na bogo tunyarabuna Ndizi TV News na bogo ngani gokuinyolibuna andonsi soberete anda keliogiria bereteria set TV yao tabeyo mwate byo musani elibono anyale go scan TV yao aichinsemo elidia berose chinsemo chinde asiriogiri tabeire kurwa Ndizi TV TV yao enekina waskani TV yao elibono onyara konyora eliogiri keneno kwa chinsemo asamo tukabere chinsemo gete ichitabwate eliogi igote byo musani tebyo yoma tebyo yonde enekina kwa skandi TV yao elibono eliogi limanye koirana mbia mona soko chara gotengera Ndizi TV bonso mugusi Chinsa Ikomi chiavono margoba ajonse ni gara senchira yo bwenye kolende karagense yemo buna botambeningana na semese gana nda seribo nyane ko gosansamuranira na gukomanya buna gendete gwateka imene siko yorogongo ruwa gusyo musayijemo igane kichibicha niliogi cha wikera senchira nkarano na boigo kurense menda sumun wemenyereyo igoto wate Joshua Auta iritere ninchinkuru kwa Vincent Onyancha.